Hi there, welcome to the Joy FM team. I'm Ano, and this is my colleague Rabiatul. Glad to have you guys.
So much, Anno and Rabiatul. It's a pleasure to finally meet you both. I'm Afrina and this is Min.
Hi Ano, hi Rabiatul. We are both super excited to be here.
Wow, it's a great to have some fresh faces around the office. So, what brought you to Joy FM? Spill the beans.
Well, I've always loved the station's vibe and programming. I was working at a smaller local station before, and moving here is a total dream come true, especially the chance to learn from senior DJs like you two.
Same here. I've been a loyal listener since forever. The station's commitment to new music is something I really vibe with professionally. I just wrap up my media studies, so this is my first big gig.
That's awesome to hear. We are glad you choose us. Rabiatul, maybe we should all swap details to keep in touch.
For sure. Afrina, Min, what are your background like? Anything fun we should know? And let's swap our number and head up together on social media so we can chat easily.
Definitely. Professionally, I'm a massive fan of indie music. Personally, I love hiking on weekends. My number is 017 7004 1004. Let's make a group chat.
Great idea, Afrina. My background is more on the production side. I used to edit podcasts. Outside of work, I'm a huge foodie and know all the best lunch spot around here. My number is 012-282-2641. Can't wait to work with everyone.
Perfect. We will get the group chat going. Rabiatul and I can show you the ropes. And more importantly, where the best coffee is. Welcome to the family, guys.
Yes, guys, welcome to Joy FM.